Hey, what's up YouTube? Doing a quick product review here. I've always wanted a set of these. These are the Husky liners, they're called. Very similar to the WeatherTech that you hear about all the time. And this particular application, I'll give you the part number here. I'll get out of the shadow if I can. So it's the 98601, and these are Husky Weatherbeater. I got these on the Amazon. Got a pretty good deal on them. They're normally, I think, $165. These are for the front and the back. And I got them for $100 on like one of those quick sales that they had going on. Brand new. As far as financially wise, I don't really feel that they're even worth the $100 that I spend, to be completely frank with you. Like I said, they normally go for $165. Which that's the reason why I never purchased them, was because they were so expensive, and I felt, you know, for a floor mat that's a bit much. So I decided to just go ahead and roll with them and try them out and see how they are, considering they were $100. I saw a used set on the Facebook marketplace for the same price, and I was like, well, heck, I might as well just go ahead and get the new ones on Amazon, since they were on sale for the $100. So it's a good experience to, you know, purchase them and just see what they're all about. I've always wanted, you know, WeatherTech, and they're also out of my price range of what I feel floor mats are worth. And what they are is they're supposedly laser cut, you know, fit, you know, from edge to edge is what they say. So I'll just give you a quick little look at the box here and what they have on there. So I'm going to go over to the car here and show you what they look like in the vehicle. Okay, I'm over at the vehicle. This particular application fit my 2011 Nissan Altima. I believe the Amazon fit guide said that they would work from 2007 to 12, but when I did a little research, even the 2016 year make model Altima had the same part number. So I don't know if there is a difference or not. Perhaps they will fit all the way up to 2018. That I do not know. That's something that you'd want to do your own research and cross-reference the part number, or reach out to Husky directly. I'd like to start off by saying about these mats is that I'm not being paid or sponsored in any way through my channel for these. I'm just simply giving you my own personal experience. So starting off here at the driver's side, I'm going to kind of zoom in here on you, let you take a look. So there's the Husky logo they have right there. And they do fit, you know, in there pretty well. You know, it goes up against over this little hump here that's under the e-brake, and under the hump as well that goes under the gas pedal along the edge. Kind of zoom back a little bit for you. And then this is where the fuel door release is right here. Now I have my factory mats underneath here, so that might be part of the reason why they don't seem to really sit as flush as they should. And there's that little notch there cut out for the carpet holder for the factory mats. Now maybe somebody is probably going to say, well, you got to take out the factory mats, you know, and that extra, you know, little, maybe slightly less than ½ an inch thickness will help make these lay flusher. But they are kind of, you know, bouncy. They're very thin. You know, when I saw them, I thought they were going to be like super thick and heavy, but I mean, these things are like super thin. And like already, if you see here, this is starting to fold in just from, you know, use and wear and tear, and your foot sitting here, it's causing it to more or less, you know, fold in a little bit. And it's not sitting like it was originally out like this to help protect water and stuff from getting in there. And it's not going to be a perfect fit, obviously, and I'm not looking for perfection. But I can definitely tell you, in my opinion, if you're looking for these, maybe check out, like I was saying, the marketplace, Facebook, or, you know, OfferUp, stuff like that. Try to get a used set, because that are in still good shape. Because as far as buying these new, especially if you pay full price, like I mentioned, I got them on sale. If you pay full price, that, in my opinion, they're not worth it. I mean, how are they going to hold up longevity wise? I mean, so far these mats, I have had them for about a month. They also scratch very easy too, like up here where my foot sits and rocks get in my tread of my shoe or whatnot. And I mean that's to be expected, but I don't know. Like I said, I don't think they're worth what they're asking. You know, are they a good concept? Are they going to protect your investment and can protect your carpets and stuff in your vehicle? Probably. They'll probably do a great job with that. Anything that's going to keep, you know, the main carpet clean will protect, especially for resale and trade-in value wise. So I think that would definitely help. However, like I said, I don't think that they're worth what they are. And I know I'm going to say that a lot, and I apologize, but that's just my honest opinion. So I'm going to go ahead and move my seat up here, and we're going to go to the back. That's the other thing, is it catches the edge of the seat because it doesn't sit flush. And that could be due to me having, like I said, the factory rugs underneath it. We're going to go into the back here and get my glasses off the floor because I'll be looking for them later. And the back ones, they definitely seem to fit real nice. I mean, you could take a look there and see. There's the Husky label right there. They go up over the hump. They go under pretty far too. It's probably hard to see on camera there, but they do go under the seat pretty far, which is good, especially if you have your seat up. If you're a shorter driver, it's definitely going to help as far as protecting the rug under there. And then it bends back around the hump here, down in this corner, and it sits real nice and flush in here, which is good because a lot of dirt and crap gets in there. We'll go around and show you the passenger side here. Take you for a walk. Same thing on this side. It's one whole piece on this particular application, so these mats extend. It's one mat that goes all the way to the other side. Also, like I said, sits real nice and flush there. So the back is definitely nice. Pokes up a little bit here. It's starting to finally lay down just because it was folded in packaging. So that's starting to turn out a lot nicer. And if we'll go up front, we'll check out the front passenger. This is that's your logo again here. Now the passenger side definitely sits real nice, you know, as far as against the floor. It has a little notch cut out for where it sits, you know, with that little hook for the carpet. It doesn't move around as much. You can see it goes way up in there. So not a bad investment, but also probably could go to your local dollar store and get some mats that will work pretty effectively as well. But something to think about if you are considering these. For the most part, you know, they're not terrible. They look nice when they're clean. They show the dirt. The color I chose was black, so it would match my interior. So they definitely show the dirt, especially this color, and quickly. But when they're clean, it looks super sleek in here. You know, when you wash them, take them to the car wash and give them a quick hose down and wipe them off and dry them, and they look nice, you know. So if you're considering them, I hope this little quick product review helps somebody out there. And like I said, if you're out there considering getting a set of these, check out Amazon before you go directly through Husky. You might get one of those flash sales like I did. And you know, if any of you guys have any feedback or comments on your experiencing, you know, or your experience, I should say, with your Husky liners, you know, throw it out there. You know, throw some comments. I love getting a good conversation going on YouTube. Let me know if any of you guys out there have tried the WeatherTech ones. Tell me how you feel about those. But yeah, one nice thing is at least they are made in USA, supposedly. That's what it says on the box anyway. But I don't know if you can believe that anymore. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick review video. And like I said, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll try at the beginning of the video, I'll see if I can throw up a couple pictures of the mats in my vehicle when I first installed them, like when they were brand new, so you can get a look at what they look like without any dirt on them. So I'll try to remember to do that when I'm compiling this video. So hope you like it, and y'all have a great day. Take care, and thanks for watching.